The time-traveling pocket watch. On a cobblestone street, a young boy named Jack found an ancient pocket watch. As he held it, he was transported back in time to historical events, meeting pirates, exploring pyramids, and attending royal balls. Jack realized the watch's power and decided to share it with his friends. They traveled together, experiencing the wonders of history firsthand. As they stood at the feet of giants and witnessed heroes' bravery, Jack and his friends understood the importance of the past in shaping the future. The pocket watch became a treasure of knowledge, teaching children that history was not just a subject in books, but a living tale waiting to be discovered. And so, each night, they explored the past, cherishing the world's diverse stories, and with every journey, they stepped closer to becoming history's heroes themselves. Moonlit boat ride. In a quaint fishing village, a young boy named Alex yearned for adventure. One moonlit night, he spotted a glowing boat by the shore. Its sails shimmered like stardust, inviting him to sail away. Curiosity took hold, and Alex boarded the boat. To his astonishment, the boat began to float above the water and sailed toward the moon. Guided by friendly constellations, Alex explored the wonders of the night sky. He met moon fairies, playful comets, and even danced on the rings of Saturn. As dawn approached, the boat gently touched the water, and Alex returned to the village. Excitedly, he shared his magical journey with everyone. From that night on, the boat appeared whenever a child yearned for adventure. Together, they sailed the skies and discovered the limitless wonders the universe had to offer. The Dancing Fireflies. In a secluded glade, a troop of fireflies prepared for their annual dance under the moon. But this year, the youngest firefly, Spark, couldn't keep up. He felt sad, afraid he'd never light up like the others. With encouragement from Grandma Firefly, Spark set off on a journey to find his own light. He visited the mystical firefly tree, where ancient wisdom resided. The tree gifted him a magic crystal, urging him to trust his heart. Embracing his uniqueness, Spark returned to the glade just in time for the dance. As he danced, his light flickered like 1,000 stars, mesmerizing all. The other fireflies joined, creating a symphony of light. Together, they painted the night with a dazzling display of colors. From then on, every firefly knew that their light was special, and the glade glowed with the brilliance of unity and self-acceptance. Lighthouse's secret. Perched on a rocky cliff, a lighthouse stood tall, guarding ships on stormy nights. But it had a secret, a magical lantern that shone brighter than the stars. One night, a curious girl named Isla noticed the lighthouse's faint glow. She climbed up, discovering the lantern's magic. With a turn of the key, it showed her glimpses of distant lands and mystical creatures. Isla visited the lighthouse every night, learning about the world beyond her village. She met mermaids in azure seas and dragons in enchanted forests. As time passed, Isla grew wise and shared the lantern's stories with her fellow villagers. They marveled at the tales and realized that wonders exist in even the most ordinary places. And so, the lighthouse became more than a beacon of light. It became a beacon of dreams, inspiring all who looked upon it to see the magic within themselves. The Enchanted Carousel. In the heart of a grand forest stood an old carousel, carved with intricate animals. But at midnight, it came to life, and the animals carried children on magical adventures. One night, Mia, a brave girl, hopped on a wooden lion. The carousel spun faster and faster, lifting her off the ground. They flew over mountaintops, dived into sparkling seas, and even danced with fairies. As dawn approached, the lion gently landed. Mia thanked the animals and promised to keep their secret. Every night, Mia visited the carousel, joining her wooden friends in enchanting escapades. The children who rode the carousel learned that with imagination, even the most ordinary things could become extraordinary. And so, the old carousel became a beacon of wonder, teaching everyone to cherish the magic that thrives in every corner of the world.